This is the journal that I made for Dear Julie's March challenge in 2024. Make a kit, make a journal. It is 10 by 6.5 with a 3-inch spine. I use the Midori style binding. It has a art theme because that's the paper pad that I picked, and it is a 4-signature journal. So it is pretty big. Some of the fabrics I used, I picked 3 different fabrics. One was a placemat, one was some upholstery fabric. This I consider as part of my binding, so I didn't classify that one, but I have another one later on. Now the 2 digitals that I used from Dear Julie's Etsy shop are Antique Red Roses, Yellow Birds, and the Golden Floral Notes. During the challenge, I did post a video on the triple tiered tag, and therefore I got a bonus, and the bonus item that I picked was the mixed media paper pad. So the cover, as you can see, is made out of the placemat, and I have the 2 signatures and 2 art paper signatures. So it starts off with a cluster, and this is the beautiful Stamperia paper. I have my tags, which are the patchwork tags, and they each have a job. This one has a belly band and another cluster on this pocket. That is the digital of the Roses and Birds. I did pick a book that was all about art. Oh, sorry for the glare. This item is the mini challenge in the challenge, and it's tucked in the belly band with mystery. And the mystery is there's a notepad under there. The mini challenge in a challenge is a small journal, and it was a tiered paper journal. So I have all my different tiers there. I have the envelope. In the envelope there is double tuck. Alright, so now all my stenciling was the same stencil. I did have a sticker pack. These tags came out of the paper pad, so I just turned this cluster into a little tuck. That's the sticker pack. I used every sticker from the package somewhere in the journal. This is my yellow pocket, yellow edged pocket with tag, and the paper was pretty yellow, so that's why I chose that book page. And it has 4 pockets actually, and each pocket has a small tag. This was again the book. It was all about birds, different artists' birds, so I like that. And this is a bookmark, but it's also a paper clip. And another cluster. And I have 2 more clusters in there. I made 8 instead of 7, and I just figured the person who gets this book can use them wherever they would like. I would like them to be creative in this book, of course, because it is an art journal. This is my flip with over the page waterfall with note. So there's the flip, there's my waterfall. I did have a composition book, and the pages that I cut down I didn't fold over. That's what was cut off, so that became part of my waterfall. And there's the back side of it. This is my plastic pocket with inserts. This one here is called the Sidekick Envelope Tuck with 2 inserts. So this is the tuck part. Again, I used a lot of book page in here. This is the Sidekick flip, and there's the insert on that one. Another tag that has a side pocket. This is the second signature, but really it's just art paper. It starts out with the accordion 3 pocket. And each pocket I just put, there wasn't very much leftovers on my desk, but whatever was left I just tucked into the pockets. Little bits and pieces. And this is the stack of stickers that I had left over. Again, I used the whole package that I got from the Dollar Tree and decorated them. And I put some throughout the journal, but I wanted the recipient to have the rest to put where they want. So this is just mixed media paper. I haven't bound it into the folder. I just wanted to leave it there because I will be adding other papers in there. This is one of the stack of stickers, and these are my ruffles. And I have attached with just an altered paper clip. I didn't want to put all the ruffles in. Again, that can be the recipient's idea. So that is the back of the beautiful paper pad, and Stamperia Imagine it was called. And this is another small signature. I did put one of the stack of stickers and some ruffles there, a sticker. And this one does not have a pocket, but it also has all the mixed media paper. And on the back of it, it has my kite with the mystery. And I made it just like Jolie taught us how. And so there's extra space there that you can journal on. And it has a pocket and a beautiful card in it. And again, a ruffle at the back. So signature 4 starts out with, again, a cluster. One of the tags, and this one just has a plain pocket with a little extra tag or journal card in it. And this one here is a large file card with a job. It is attached with one of the hidden paper clips. The job is that it's holding some note paper. That's the golden floral notes paper that I used for the second digital. This was the wrapping paper package that I chose. And of course my paper bag, I always put one in. And there's beautiful digital, I just kept it as a flip. Composition book paper, my last patchwork quilt tag in a book, one of the art page books. This is my index and hidden journaling card, and I used the journaling card from the scrapbook paper pad. This one here is my double corner tuck with mystery. So the mystery is, it does flip up. Oh, that, yes. Take it out of the pocket, you flip up there. There's a one pocket here and another pocket there. And it's held down with this sticker, because this sticker is dimensional. And this is also an art paper. We got to choose 5 extra papers, so most of them, there was a sheet of vellum, and there was that and a couple other art papers that I chose for my extras. This here is a double tuck with 3 inserts. The one insert is here. The other 2 are here. And my greeting card that I like to give each person, held in with another altered paper clip. And the last item is my trifold tag, and it has a pocket, and I really do, and I've go out and checked my video on that one. I printed this on digital here on pamphlet paper, and the digitals fit perfectly on that kind of a paper, plus it's kind of a cardstock. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, the flip through, and this challenge was a fun one. It definitely we had to stretch some imagination here, just using those items. I did end up having some spaces left over when I was done, so I didn't use all 17 items because I didn't need them. I find once you put a kit on your desk, you're good to go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.